Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's session is about the fabric painting. I decided to paint my own mask. Before moving to the paint part, we need to decide the pattern. So here I decided to go with the Warli design. So these are some simple drawings or simple sketches for you guys so that you can understand how to draw and what to draw. I hope you get some basic idea how to draw the Warli shape. Now I'll draw these 4 images over the mask like this. Once you are done with your sketching part, then we are good to go for the paint part. So here I am using Fabrica Castle acrylic paints. So these are good for the fabric painting also. You can easily wash them and reuse it. The paint will not come off. So here you need a round brush. You can take number 4 or number 6 brush, and then we just paint force the boundary. Once you are done with your boundary, the next color you have to take is black. And you need 0 number brush. If you don't have a 0 number brush, then take the thinnest brush which you have. Now we will outline all the figures like this, and then you have to fill black color on the face part. Once you are done with your outline, then take yellow color or any other color like orange, red, and take 4 number brush, are thicker than the last one, so that you can easily fill these spaces like this. You can experiment with different color combination also, or you can just go like this also. With you all the coloring part, then just draw a simple triangle like this. You can see how our mask has transformed, and just a simple dot inside those triangle. Your mask is ready now. So if you like this video, please hit subscribe button, like button, and share with your friends. Thank you.